Alright everybody, welcome to another video. This is the unboxing of the DX Soulbird. Not the one that, I don't really know if it attaches to the Megazord or not, but it shows that it's a video game system. And it shows that you can add your your Gaoranger figures on here. Yep, there is no way this thing is actually going to go on the Zord at all. I guess I got a vinyl figure. It only came with the figure. Articulation, arms, that's it. And even then it falls off. The AV cords. And the Soulbird itself. And then that's it. I mean, you can just push this one down. There's the buttons right there. You can plug in your vinyl figure right there, and he can stand. You can also, if you have the other figures, pull the tabs down and insert them here. And that's it. That looks pretty cool. Just push back the tab in and close up the mouth. And that's it. I guess this is a partial review, but it rolls. Here's the battery compartment. Takes 4 C batteries. It's actually pretty detailed. It's pretty nice. I mean, the buttons right here. Choo choo. Video game system. Button right here. This one right here, nothing. So I guess it's a pretty cool display. I mean, you can put your Ranger figures or something in the sides. I can just show. That's pretty cool. Uh-oh. Misfire. Doesn't really want to stay closed. Battery cover didn't properly. So, just press this button. Oh, this is the turn on button, I guess, or reset. It comes with stickers. I can't understand anything on this manual. Huh. So I guess you just pull this one and looks pretty cool though. Stop popping out. Does it really want to stay close? Stay. Good boy. I guess it's okay. I'm still tracking down the Deluxe Soulbird, which you can fit into the Gao Kong or the Power Ranger Wild Force Megazords. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.